Video creation, keyword research, and figuring out and navigating YouTube SEO takes forever. Today I'm going to show you the tool that I've been using that has streamlined my video creation process into a fraction of the time that it used to take. This tool is called the Traffic Maestro by the Home Business Academy, and it's going to give you keywords, titles, descriptions, and even scripts for your video. It's going to take care of recording, editing, and posting, and uploading to YouTube, all in one dashboard. As somebody who's very new to being on YouTube, it's been very difficult for me to figure out what kind of videos to even make in the first place, what topics to cover, and then how to figure out good keywords to use and how to actually incorporate those keywords and get my videos ranking in SEO. And I've watched tons of videos and taken tons of trainings, and all of that's great, but it takes a lot of practice and repetition to get those skills down and to get good at keyword research and to get good at SEO. But this tool has made it so much easier. It's basically helped me to skip past that learning phase. Now, obviously, I'm still learning. Every time I use the tool, I'm learning from it how to better rank my videos if I was to do it on my own. But this tool has taken hours out of my week trying to make these long form videos for you guys. I'm going to share my screen now and show you guys the tool. So this is my Home Business Academy Traffic Maestro dashboard. And when you go to the Traffic Maestro, it shows you your daily plan. And it gives you kind of a daily growth plan, and I went over this in another one of my videos already. You learned something new today, a few steps for how to grow your income, and then it has these options for creating content. I've already gone over the Facebook post option in a different video, so if you want to check out that video and see how I make Facebook content every day. So if you want to see how I create my Facebook content every day using the Traffic Maestro Facebook post creator, I'll link that video for you guys to check out. But today we're going to be focusing on long form video. So I'm going to click long form video and it's going to take me into this creator. So you see it's got these steps at the top: topic, what to cover, get attention, script, shoot, publish. So we're starting with step 1, which is topic. Now, where is it getting these topics from? You can scroll through like a ton of different topics that it's going to give you. Where are these topics coming from? When you sign up for the Home Business Academy Premium, it's going to take you through the Traffic Maestro onboarding system. The onboarding system is going to basically learn everything about your brand, your voice, who you want to show up as online, and who you want to speak to. Based on that, it's going to collect a ton of topics for you for YouTube that will help spark you for making more videos. So the topic that I'm going to use today is make residual income building websites, because this is something I've been figuring out how to do recently, and so I already filmed a little video kind of showing the process of how I'm doing it. It's suggesting make residual income building websites free. I don't think that really fits the topic, because the website builder it does cost money to use the website builder. So it's not really a free strategy. So I think I'll leave it as it is, make residual income building websites. Use this topic. What are the main things you want to teach in this video? So I'm just going to quickly lay out like the basic things that I covered, the video that I filmed. So I've just quickly put in a little bit of information about what I went over in the video, since I have already filmed it. If you don't have a video you've already filmed, you're trying to get this Traffic Maestro to give you the script for your video, then you're just going to basically open up and start talking about what you want to cover in the video. Talk about your experience with the topic, talk about what you think about it, talk about the bullet points that you want to cover. It doesn't matter how messy it is, just get your thoughts out onto the page, and it's going to organize it for you and create a beautiful script for your video. So I'm going to hit next step, and this is the part where it's going to give me the title, the hook, and the thumbnail for my video. So let's see. It's given me make residual income building websites. The one reoccurring fee most builders never charge. So the real reason website building pays you every month isn't the website itself, it's the one recurring fee that most mom builders never think to charge. So that's pretty good, but I'm going to look through because it gives you like 4 or 5 different titles to choose from, so I'm going to look through and see if there's one that I like better. Make residual income building websites with a $50 a month tool stack and zero coding. That one would work too, except it's not $50 a month, it's $25 a month, so I would change that. And I would remove the word stack, because it's not a tool stack, it's just a tool. I don't know what tool stack means. I use $50 a month tool stack, nap time hours, and zero coding to make residual income building websites for small businesses. Here's the exact setup. That's pretty good too. Actually, I might like that better than the first one. Let's see what else. How I make residual income building websites. Client to launch, step by step. I'm not a fan of that one. Forget AI apps and affiliate links. Make residual income building websites you actually own. No. So let's see. I want either the first or second one, I think. Make residual income building websites. The one reoccurring fee most. I actually think I like this one. I'm going to edit it because the information is wrong. I don't know why I can't see this. It's white on white. That's weird. I'm going to have to copy it over to here and then edit it and put it back. I don't know why it's white on white. Let's see. With a $25 a month tool and zero coding. Put it back in there as like that. Remove this from down here because we don't want that. And then edit this one. I use a $25 a month tool, nap time hours, and zero coding to make residual income building websites for small businesses. Here's the exact setup. I like that. So that's the one we're going to choose to use. Let's go on to the hook. The hook is going to be the first thing you say in the video. I don't really need this because I already filmed the video, but me selecting the hook might impact like how it creates the description later, so I'm gonna make sure I choose one that I like. I built that, not somebody else's link, not somebody else's product. I feel like so many of us are tired of sharing other people's stuff and calling it a business. So I started building websites for small businesses during nap time using one $25 a month tool, and I want to show you exactly how I set the whole thing up. That's not bad. I do like that. I'm trying to decide if I want to re-roll it and let it try again. I'm going to copy this in case I want to use it, but then I'm going to regenerate and see if it comes up with something better. This cost me $25 a month. That's it. I feel like most of us got sold on sharing other people's links and calling it a business, but I wanted something where I could point at a real website for a real small business and say, I built that. I helped someone. That was me. So let me show you the exact setup I used during nap time to make that happen. Oh, I can't decide which one's better. I think we're just gonna go with this one. Pick my thumbnail. I don't know. I probably won't use the thumbnail that it gives me, but I'll show it to you guys anyway. I probably won't use the thumbnail that it gives me because I kind of have a style that I'm going for with thumbnails, and so I've used some of these, but I'm kind of like playing with like sticking to a very specific style for my thumbnails, so I'll probably use the thumbnail generator later to build something more specific. But let's see. I built that. Visual, creator sitting on the floor next to a sleeping toddler on a couch. Laptop open on her lap showing a finished small business website. Soft, warm living room light with a confident, smirky grin. I don't know. Visual close-up of the creator's skeptical face on the left side. Right side shows a big red X stamped over generic affiliate links. Before and after split with jagged, torn paper divider. Left side shows dull blank browser page labeled their business before. And polished, colorful small business website on the monitor. Creator's hand pointing at the finished side. Dusty, muted palette on the left versus clean white and coral on the right. Maybe we'll use that one. Again, I'm probably not going to like the thumbnail that it comes up with, and I'm probably going to give it more detail to create a better one later. But we shall see. So then it's going to say create my script, which I'm going to show you even though I don't need a script because I already shot the video. But it's going to try to create a script here. So it's going to draft an outline. It's going to give you a hook and several bullet points to cover and then a call to action at the end. And so you can go through each of these bullet points and edit what you like and what you don't like. And then whenever you have the information the way you want it, then you expand into a full script. And it's going to write the whole script out for you, word for word, so that you can follow along and film it. I would love to show you what the actual video recorder step looks like. But I'm not able to because I'm currently using my video camera, my webcam on my computer to film this video, so if I tried to film two things at once, that doesn't make any sense. So I can't show you the video recorder, but it basically looks like any video recorder. It's very simplistic. It's, you know, pause, play, start, stop, and then it has a, what do they call it? Whatever, the like prompt thing at the top that scrolls through your script so you can read your script while you're recording. I can't remember the name of what they call that, but it has the script going line by line at the top so that you can read it as you're recording. I'm going to skip this step. Well, I'm going to go to the shoot step. And then I'm going to upload video instead because I already have a video. And it's going to open the video editor. And it's going to pull my video that I just uploaded into the editor. The amazing thing about this is that it's all in one place. It's not like we're doing our SEO over here and we have to have a different software for recording and we have to have a different software for editing. It just takes you through step by step. You don't have to jump around from one web page to another, from one software to another. This tool was actually designed to be very similar to Descript, which a lot of people are very happy with. A lot of people enjoy using Descript for creating long form videos. So it was kind of modeled off of the concept of Descript. I've actually personally never used Descript, so I don't know, but a lot of people tell me that it is a very good tool and that this one is modeled off of it. So it's finished uploading into the recorder. So I'm just going to show you around a little bit. I already edited this video, so I don't need to do any editing, but I'll show you guys around. So over here is the text-based editor. It's going to give you a transcript of your entire video where you can go through and just read through the video and edit it by text. You also can come down here and it's going to give you the transcription word by word over top of the actual video, whatever, audio thing. I don't know what it's called. So you can watch through the video.
You can earn by building websites for other
video,
people.
You can pause,
But there's
select based on what exact word you're at. You can delete, split, do what you need to do. There's no fancy features like transitions or music or audio. You can't do anything fancy. It's very simple because the point of this editor was to make it as streamlined and easy as possible for someone to get from point A of a video idea to point B of publishing it on YouTube. So there's no bells and whistles. It's very straightforward. The big advantage to this editor that I love is this button down here. It says remove silence gaps, which is so helpful because as you're filming a video, you're talking about something and then you're pausing and you're thinking about it, you're thinking of what to say next, or you're reading your script. And so as long as you don't make noise during those areas where you're thinking and reading, you just click that button and it removes all the silence gaps from your whole video automatically. You can also delete filler words like like whenever you're stuttering and things like that. You can click delete filler words and it'll get rid of all that for you. Then watch through the video and make sure it did everything the way you want it to. Make any other edits that you need and hit publish. Now, this is the publish step. I already have it connected to my YouTube channel. You'll have to connect yours whenever you sign up. Connect it to your YouTube channel. It's gonna generate my title, description, and tags here. And my thumbnail. Oh, here we go. Make residual income building websites with $25 a month tool and zero coding. That's the title I chose. The description, let's see. Want to make residual income building websites for real small businesses without writing a single line of code? This is the exact $25 a month setup I use during nap time to build real websites for real people. And I'm walking you through the whole thing start to finish. If you're a homeschool mom who's tired of sharing someone else's link and calling it a business, this is a different path. One where you can point at something you actually built and feel genuinely proud of what you created, even if you're squeezing it into nap time sized blocks between diaper changes and read alouds. Take a free tour of the full system. So this is a link to our whole affiliate system. I might replace that link with just the funnel builder link, actually. So bear with me a second. I'm going to go find my funnel builder link. So this is the link that it automatically puts on all of your YouTube descriptions because this is our full affiliate system with all three of our residual products in it. But the people watching this particular video might not be interested in the full affiliate system. They're probably more interested, based on what I told them, they're probably more interested in just getting the funnel builder to begin with. I think it's worthwhile to get all 3 of the products. Even if you're just doing this website building business, I use all 3 of the products every single day, even while doing this strategy, this website building strategy. So I think it's worthwhile to get all 3 of the products using this turnkey link. But I'm going to link for now. Actually, I'm going to put both. Check out the drag and drop web builder, and then take a free tour of our full system, our full affiliate marketing system. So I'm going to leave both links. And it all automatically puts in timestamps for you, relevant points in the video, and it adds hashtags at the bottom, and it adds an affiliate disclosure because the products that I'm talking about in the video are affiliate products. Tags, it's going to load in tags for YouTube, relevant tags, and it's going to give you a pinned comment. So this pinned comment I'm going to copy because I'll put it on once I upload it. So once again, this is the thumbnail that it's giving me, and like I said, I don't really like this. First of all, I always have my hair covered, so it keeps generating images of me without my hair covered, so I don't like that. So I'm going to have to see this button here. It says create a more customized thumbnail. That's what I'm going to do. It's just going to take me to our image generator, and then I'm going to put in the prompt for the thumbnail that I actually want. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm going to do that later. For now, we'll just let it upload the thumbnail that it has, and then I'll go fix it. It also has a picture of me on the website, which is kind of funny. It's not a bad thumbnail, so I want to point out, this is actually a very good thumbnail. This is going to be a high SEO ranking thumbnail. I just don't like the way that it generates images of me without my hair covered, and I don't always like the style, so I kind of want to create my own style of thumbnail. But if you don't have the desire, or you don't have the skills to give the AI the prompts to make a better thumbnail, 100% go with the thumbnail that it's going to generate for you here. I'm going to upload it as unlisted because I'm going to go in and add end screen and a different thumbnail once it's uploaded. It's going to auto add captions from the transcript. And that is it. I'm going to click upload to YouTube. Thumbnail attached automatically. Make sure your thumbnail actually shows in YouTube Studio. If not, upload it manually there. So, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, make sure that it's there, and put in the rest of the details. So this is my video in YouTube. It's here, uploaded with the title, the description. I went ahead and put it on a few of my playlists that I have created. Adding it to multiple playlists also helps it rank in SEO. I added an end screen card with a link to another one of my videos. And I'm going to go change the thumbnail after I'm done here, and then just hit publish, and or I guess it's unlisted right now, so I'll just change the status to public when I'm ready with the thumbnail. And that's it. That's the whole process. And it has literally saved me hours every week creating videos because it's start to finish all in one place, and it comes up with ideas for you and writes your script for you. And I'm very happy with it. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you are someone who's been wanting to start a YouTube channel and feels overwhelmed by the process, or if you have a YouTube channel and you feel like it's taking you forever to upload a video every week, or it's difficult to be consistent because of the time-consuming it is, I really hope that you will consider this tool because it is fantastic. There are much, much more features that come with this tool than just the Traffic Maestro. You get so much more than just what I said. You're gonna get, if you decide to sign up for this tool, you're also gonna get live marketing coaching, you're gonna get training videos from experts, you're gonna get so many other tools that will help you in your home business, with your YouTube channel, with your Facebook, with any other part of your home business that you're trying to expand. Trust me when I tell you that these tools are extremely valuable, and you're going to get your money's worth out of it. I use the Home Business Academy system every single day, and I have not regretted it for a minute. With all that being said, I hope you guys do amazing with whatever business you are currently trying to build. If it's YouTube, if it's your own products that you're creating, I just want to wish you so much luck and so much success in your home business. If you're interested in using this tool to help you with your YouTube strategy, I'm linking it in the description below. Have an amazing day, an amazing life, and I'll see you in the next video.